Hello everyone, this is Matthew in the house again, and today we are going to talk about our CNC cylindrical grinder, EGP&A, the Rhino series. The machine in front of you is the EGP 5100 CNC. Let's check it out. If you're one of the eTech followers, you will probably know that cylindrical grinder is one of our original products. And you had probably been with us during Tooltoast 2023. We have announced the new names and series about our CNC cylindrical grinders there. Of course, we don't name it without a reason, but actually have done several upgrades to them. Cylindrical grinders have been serving the markets for decades already. It is very commonly used in the machining process and widely used in all kinds of industries, such as automotive, aerospace, hydraulics, tooling and machine parts, and even electrical parts for a household appliance. In other words, basically you see the finished assembly products every day. You can imagine how much related you are with such kind of machine. The Rhino series are referring to our CNC cylindrical grinders with swing-over table up to 500 millimeters. It's not the largest size for such kind of machine, but the biggest one in our standards and pretty much heavy duty already. But if you need a bigger one, we can also customize it. Let me tell you, with such size, it is heavy duty enough to test whether a machine is decent and qualified enough in accuracy, stability, and repeatability. Plus, we are not just simply growing the size of the machine, but also combining with quality and accuracy. So we can make this machine not only humongous, but also delicate at the same time. The reason why we name it Rhino is because it is a fierce beast. We modified and upgraded the machine structure by increasing its size about 20%, including the base casting, table, and both workhead and tailstock. In this case, we increased both force load capacity and rigidity. Let me explain it in an easier way. Imagine an isosceles triangle. The bottom of this triangle remains the same. The tip of the triangle is the center of your workpiece. As your workpiece diameter becomes bigger, because this diameter can't touch the bottom of this triangle, the tip of this triangle, which is the center, will become higher and higher. If we continually give a same force on the tip, of course the higher you go, the more rigidity is decreased. In this case, we upgraded the machine structure like we expand the bottom of this triangle to increase its force load capacity and its rigidity. A slight difference can make a big change, but like I've said in the beginning, the machine has been in the markets for decades, but who's the one being considerate for our users and customers, making the progress? So what I was trying to explain is how well the machine structure is. Now imagine if I give this machine a strong weapon, a hydrodynamic spindle. How powerful can this machine be? If you aren't yet aware about the spindle which I'm mentioning, please remember to spend a couple minutes more to check into this video. The link will also be down below. Because this machine is now equipped with a hydrodynamic spindle, so we will also provide you a spindle oil chiller. The grinding wheel we are using is a diameter of 510, which is usually bigger than other manufacturers. For instance, you can know how much we focus on the spindle and how well can this machine grind.